Hello guys! Welcome again to my channel, and in today's video, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng introduction audio. So, intro audio. So, yun yung mga isa sa mga nire-require when you fill up a form or application form kung mag-a-apply kayo as VA. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa, ano yung actually I will give you the script, and then saan ito i-upload or saan ito i-record, tapos yung link, how to get the link, tapos yung link yun yung ipe-paste nyo dun sa application form. So before we will start guys, I will just share to you this message. So nakikita nyo sa monitor nyo. Your storms are only temporary, but the blessings of God last forever. So, sana itong message na to will brighten up your day or will give you more motivation na lahat ng dinaranas natin ngayon is just temporary. Even the pain, even the happiness. So, everyday talaga ililive mo yung life mo na piniplease mo si God, piniplease mo yung self mo, and not the others na hindi ka naman tanggap. So, yun lang po. So, lahat ng mga problema is just temporary. So, go, go, go lang. Alright, so, start na tayo. So, here, pinakita ko sa previous video kung ano yung mga ilalagay natin dito. So, in an application form, so 30-second audio clip required to apply. So, ito talaga, dapat prepared ka dito. So, record a quick 30 to 45-second audio clip introducing yourself as a person, not your work history. So, using Vocaro. So, this Vocaro here, vocaro.com, ito yung online platform na gagamitin natin to record our audios. So, pwede rin other audio generator, pero mas ano kasi si Vocaro, mas convenient gamitin. So, again, so you fill in your first name, middle name, last name, tapos the email, phone number, yung birthday mo, tapos yung address here. So, interested in, so select ka lang, experience with US-based companies, none, yes, or, so pili ka lang dyan. Educational level, so pili ka lang kung ano ang suit sa'yo. So here, intro audio link. So Vocaro recommended. So yun yung nire-recommend ni my freight staff. So paano ba siya um, buuin? So this video is all about intro audio link. So first things first, before ka magre-record sa Vocaro, so this is the site of Vocaro, vocaro.com. So, before ka magre-record dito, make sure that you have the script para fluent or spontaneous yung pagkaka-deliver mo ng intro audio mo para naman ma-impress si client. So, I have here, ito yung cheat ko or guide ko when I record my intro audio. So, pinindot ko to, tapos dito, guide ko siya. So, i-share ko to sa inyo guys. So, the script will be posted in the description section. So, feel free to copy, and you can also tailor fit it kung ano yung mas bagay sa inyo. So, this is just a script guide. So, if you want, you may use this one, or if you don't want, okay na rin. At least, okay, so we'll start now. So, ilalagay ko dito yung script and then, ganyan. So, pipindutin nyo lang po to, yung may record na button, and then you can start. Hi there, I am Juana de La Cruz, but you can call me Wanah. I'm residing. Take two. Ay, ganyan talaga usually. Meron kang take two. Okay. Para naman, mas ma-polish pa talaga. Okay, wait. Sorry. Hi there, I am Juana de La Cruz, but you can call me Wanah. I am residing from the Philippines. I am resilient, hardworking person and can work under a minimum supervision and a bit of perfectionist. Through my years of experience in dealing with students as my clients or customers, I perfected my skill in customer management, management relations, and a leader in a team. I am also proud of my reputation for following through meeting and deadlines. I am a computer literate and knowledgeable in multimedia management. With my last job as an independent service provider, it had given me a substantial opportunity to connect with people of different race, Christian background, and the challenges that go along with it barely needed in a freelance world, especially as a virtual assistant. I am confident and I can deliver because of my strong interest in the field. I am looking forward to work in your company that is mission inspired on how to change the freelance world. Again, this is Wanah and I'm looking forward to be a committed partner of your business. Yun guys. So more than 1 minute siya. No, actually it's okay kasi magagamit mo rin ito sa ibang other application mo sa other sites. Kasi other sites that recruits VA, yung nire-require nila is 1 to 2 minutes audio recording. Some companies require video intro. So my freight staff audio lang yung nire-require nila. So let's try to. So here, kung okay ka na sa recording mo, you don't have to do it again. So this button here is you'll do it again or you will redo. So here, this button here is when you want to listen to your recording. So if okay na lahat, pipuntatin mo lang ito. Wait ka lang. Tapos ito yung link guys. So you just need to copy this one. So ito yung pipindutin nyo. And then copy nyo lang dito. So yan. Okay. So I hope na natulungan ko kayo or na-guidean ko kayo. So thank you so much guys for listening and watching my video. I hope that you will support me by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much and see you on the next videos. Bye bye.